As a service agent, you receive a call from your customer to inform you of a pressure drop in a quality test machine. You then create a case for this issue in Salesforce. You search in Salesforce Knowledge for the probable root cause of the issue. Salesforce Knowledge has been populated with your customer's proprietary product information, which is managed in Teamcenter. Leveraging Einstein GPT, you're presented with a summary of information related to your search. Now you have the information you need to create a work order to replace the faulty part. The related work plan is created automatically using the work plan selection rules in Salesforce. This is based on Teamcenter service requirements. The assets and work plans in Salesforce are created leveraging product and service-related data, including detailed activities, authored and managed in Teamcenter with Service Lifecycle Management. The work order to replace the faulty part is now scheduled and assigned to a technician. And now from a technician's perspective, you have all the right configuration data on the asset in context to perform the job right the first time. By using your mobile app, you execute the work order by following steps that were authored in Teamcenter. And once the job is complete, you update the status, which is also tracked in Teamcenter. You identify an opportunity for service teams to generate additional service revenue, in this case with a service contract upgrade. This opportunity is sent directly to the sales department. The asset hierarchy is tracked in Salesforce and now shows the latest configuration. All updates and service history are also reflected in Teamcenter, supporting continuous product improvement.